Okay, heading down to the dock. We got the trusty bucket and my 900-pound pull magnet on my 750 green paracord. Not quite sure where to start, so here looks like as good a place as any. Let me get set up. Okay, I've been getting these all kinds of little bites like right there, but it's not catching anything solid. I'm going to switch and dip all along these boat berths next. But I thought I'd throw these out about 40 feet and drag the magnet in. See if I can't get a crab net or something cool. Hey, hey! How's it going? Right, good. Doing some magnet fishing. Oh, cool. Yeah, I saw this on YouTube and a few months back, and I thought I am gonna try it. Oh yeah, and here we go. We got a nice tuna can with barnacles. So that's been down there a while. All right, that'll go in the bucket. And yeah, having fun here in Westport, Washington. This is a lot of fun. Okay, bouncing it down the boat dock. I'm gonna go about halfway and pull it up. Yeah, it looks like we found something cool. Oh, that's an etched fish cleaning knife blade. Yep, that is awesome. And it says something Timberland. Into the bucket, and let's put that back down and continue our way down the dock. A lot of knife blades out here. Stands to reason, since they clean a lot of fish. Oh, there's a bite. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, something heavy. See if I can get a good bite on it. It let loose. Huh. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up to see if the bite I felt was just pulling it out of the gunk. See if we have a target. And look at that, I think I see a target. Big fish hook. Look at that. That's for a big fish. That's salmon grade. I think I better bring my bucket down here. We're doing really good on these boat docks. Okay. Here we are. Let's pull it up. Oh, look at that. Another crab pot cage door. Cage door. Fish, broken fish knife blades and cage doors. Alright. I'm going to just do a little distance throw off the end, just to see if objects, you know, get washed out a little bit, dropped off the dock, but maybe drift out a little ways. Oh, nothing. Give it a little throw out there. Okay, see if we caught anything. I think I got a target on there. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a specially cut tuna can out of a crab pot, no doubt. Cleaning up our docks. That was a hell of a scream. Okay. Oh, got another chair leg. That's what it looks like. Oh, look at this. That is a bottle opener.
There you go. Something practical, finally.
Yeah, has some kind of symbol on it. We'll have to clean that up. Yeah. And then an old nail and a chair leg. Okay. Oops, I'm sorry. Did I splash you? Okay, might have got a little bite right there. Let's go ahead and pull it up. Oh yeah, look at that. All kinds of good stuff, huh? Targets, piece of bungee cord, a couple pieces, a bolt, that's an old bolt, and a piece of the chair and some wire. Cool. Well, I gotta go get that bucket. I'll be right back. Okay, I think we should put it in right here. Oh yeah, right there. We got something. We got a bite. I'm gonna pull it up just to see if we got it. Feels like it, but Yeah, another leg to a chair. All right. All right. I just got a nice bite on something. Oh, yeah, and this one's coming up. Look at that big chunk of iron. Whew. Oh. That is a thick piece of scrap. All right, into the bucket. Okay, I just threw in there and this went ka-chunk. I got a bite. I don't feel any weight to it, not a lot of weight, but I am pulling it up. And another one of the legs to the chair. All right, back in. Let's see if we can get a good bite on something. Beautiful day here. Just went all the way across this area. Got my gloves back on because safety first. And Corona, yeah. Beautiful sunny day. Oh, got a bite. Let's see what it could be. And another piece of crab snare. All right. Sea lions chasing the birds. Yeah, that's a pelican. Beautiful day out here at the docks, Westport, Washington. I got another bite. Let's see. I'm getting enough legs to chairs to build a couch. Yeah. All right, just did this whole strip. I might have got a little bite right there. Nothing like these chairs I'm pulling up. I've hooked into 6 chairs. I just got this chair out from Ozark Trails. It's in good shape too. That might just be camping with me at the end of the month. Oh, what a bite. I got something. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it up in case that bite was something that stuck onto it. Oh yeah. We got some fish hooks and wire. Put that right there. Alright. Okay, I just did this strip here and I just got a killer bite and I'm pulling it up. And it's more of the chair.